This video is an introduction to deploying Wechaty's simplest bot, the Ding Dong bot. So I've navigated to Wechaty's Getting Started GitHub repository, and this is a simplified version of the Wechaty project that's meant for beginners to get familiar with Wechaty. So we can easily deploy the Ding Dong bot. All we have to do is first clone the project locally. Then we'll go ahead and cd into our project file, and we'll first use make install to install all of our dependencies that we need for deploying the Ding Dong bot. Just note that this requires already having Node.js and npm installed on your local device. With everything installed, I'll go ahead and open the Ding Dong bot file, and first taking a look at the functioning. This bot produces a QR code for whichever service you choose, and it will log actions like scanning the QR code, logging in and out, and message data so that if it receives a ding message, it will automatically reply dong. And down here, you can add specifications for your Ding Dong bot, but we can first run the project file as is without any changes. Wechaty offers a variety of puppets for interacting with different platforms. So we're first going to run the Ding Dong bot on WeChat. So we'll want to set our environmental variable of the Wechaty puppet to first use Wechaty puppet WeChat for you. This is the default puppet for WeChat desktop version. And once that's set, then we can run our bot with make bot. And we'll get a QR code. So I'm sharing the screen of this phone, and then I'm going to go ahead and scan and log in with this QR code here. And once that's logged in, I'm going to open another WeChat, and I'm going to send the message ding to this account, and we'll see that we receive a dong in response.